Water bottles, handy or harmful? Sure, they make life easier, but they're also harming the environment. By Lauren Tarshis. Guess how many bottles of water Americans buy every year? Almost 100 billion. Stack those up, and you could make a tower that stretches from Earth to the moon 60 times. Why do we love bottled water so much? It's so easy. You just grab it and go. Then you throw out the bottle when you're done. And it's healthier than sugary sodas and sports drinks. But there's more to the story. Okay, this section, bottle equals bad. So we are going to read about all the problems or the negative part of bottled water. The truth is, bottled water is just as good as the water many people can get from a tap. A tap is the water from your sink or your faucet, okay, tap water. Lots of bottled water is tap water. This includes popular brands like Dasani. It sells tap water that has been run through a filter. Often, tap water is tested more carefully than bottled water. That's because most cities check tap water. They make sure it doesn't carry dangerous germs or chemicals. Bottled water companies do not have to test as strictly. Water bottles create a lot of trash. Most water bottles do not get recycled. They go from garbage cans to landfills. There, they turn into mountains of plastic bottles. It can take hundreds of years for those bottles to break down, or they are left as trash in our streets and parks. They can end up in oceans too. Sea animals can eat them and die. Okay, and if you look at this image and read the caption, it supports the fact bottled water equals bad. Most water bottles are not recycled, and it could take up to 700 years for the plastic to break down. All right, this part, the subtitle is A Case for Bottled Water. So this section supports bottled water. It will tell you what is good about bottled water. Some people need to drink bottled water. More than 2 billion people have water that contains germs or chemicals. If they were to drink this water, they could get sick or die. So for them, bottled water isn't just an easy choice, they need it. Some bottled water contains fluoride. Fluoride is a chemical that protects your teeth from cavities. Not all tap water contains fluoride. Bottled water could be a healthy choice for you. There is another reason to consider bottled water. If it weren't available, you might drink a sugary beverage. You might drink lemonade, soda, or a sports drink. And those drinks are a big part of why so many Americans are overweight. So, what's your opinion? Should we keep drinking bottled water?